Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix system UI isn't responding error on any Android phone. Alright, so let's begin. This is a common issue that can cause your phone to freeze or lag, and the fix is actually quite simple. First of all, open your device's settings and scroll down to apps. Tap on it to open it, then select app management. It can be differ according to your Android device, but mostly have this option to see all downloaded apps. At the top right, tap the three-dot menu and choose Show System. Next, tap the search icon and type System UI. When it appears, tap on it. Then go to Storage section and first tap on Clear Cache. Once that's done, go back to the app list and search for Google Play services. Tap on it, then go to Storage and Cache again. Tap Clear Cache and then go to Manage Storage and Clear Storage or Clear All Data and confirm by selecting this option. After clearing the cache and storage for both System UI and Google Play services, restart your device. Once it powers back on, the System UI is not responding problem should be resolved. This method works on most Android devices and is safe since it only clears cached data and temporary storage that could be causing the issue. If the problem persists, consider updating your Android version or checking for any recently installed apps that might be conflicting with the system. And that's it. This is how you can fix System UI isn't responding error on any Android phone. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.